everyone! If you're using Nova Suite, this is super important. We're making a massive change to the entire platform, and we want to make sure you know exactly what's happening, when it's happening, and why it matters. First off, yes, we know. Nova Suite just launched a few months ago. We've only been live since December 2024. But even in that short time, we've advanced faster and bigger than we expected. That's a good thing. But it also means we've outgrown some of the systems we started with. The original Nova Suite apps were built using older HTML-based systems, tools that were great for getting started quickly, but not great for where we're going next. As we added more features, more users, and more complex tools like Astro, Nova Calendar, and Nova Sketch, we realized it's time to rebuild from the ground up. We're now moving all of Nova Suite to React, a powerful, modern web framework that makes things faster, smoother, and way more scalable. React means better performance, a more unified design, mobile-first thinking, and way more flexibility to build the features you've been asking for. You can already see these changes live right now in Astro, Nova Search, and Nova Docs, Alpha. Okay, here's the big part. Because this is a full rebuild, everything from the old system is going away. That includes old user accounts, saved data, and the legacy version of Nova Suite. Starting May 20th, you'll need to migrate your account to the new system. And if you don't migrate by June 20th, your data will be permanently deleted. We're giving everyone a full 30 days to make the move. We'll also be releasing a migration tool to make it easy, fast, and stress-free. You'll get alerts in the apps, emails, and reminders all the way through. We're really excited about this. It's not just a redesign, it's a leap forward for how Nova Suite works and how it supports you. We're building this to last, to scale, and to give you a future-proof platform that actually keeps up with your creativity. So, if you're already using Nova Suite, thank you. We couldn't have grown this fast without you. And if you're new here, welcome. You're just in time for the good stuff. Head to novasuite.one/transition for all the details, and be sure to migrate your account before June 20th. Let's build the future, for real, this time.